Hello guys, on today's video we kind of are just going to talk as usual, make some notes about what I need to do in the next few weeks, things I gotta do today, or things that are going to happen in the next weeks. And let me see, uh, what could I chat about today? As we seen in this week, I talked to all of you, we had barely three exams, three tests that I really think that I get a good grade in all of them, and mainly on digital electronic, I get a 95% grade, and on general mechanics that I discovered that I made a mistake in the last question. But at least was the question that worth less points. So it happens. Let me think about. So I am for now I am good with all my uh, how can I say that, like my there's a right word for that. It isn't developed. It is. I'm going to research here, guys. I was right. I am proud with all my development, like all my um. I just noticed that I researched the wrong word because I was thinking about desempenho, but I researched development. I don't know why. So let me see here. The right word it is yes, that here it is performance. Performance. So I am proud and I am satisfied with my performance of college, all the tests, all the houseworks, everything that I do, I think that I did well for now. And for the next week, we're going to have the physical experimental 2 test. It is a practice lab practice, like a test in the lab. We are going to have to make some experiments, like a random experiment that we already did in class. We're going to remake it on the practice test. So we're going to have to do that. And we're going to have to make all the calculus, all those things involved on that. And we gotta do that in that specific test. And in the same week, we're going to have the calculus 2 test. And I'm not going to lie, guys, but I am a little anxious about that test because I just feel I am not prepared for it. Today and tomorrow, wait a little bit. Blessed, thank you. uh, Today and tomorrow, I'm going to study for that exam, and I'm going to. Thank you. Uh, I really think that you said bless you guys, so thank you if you did that. Uh, as I was saying, today and tomorrow I'm going to study for that test, and I just don't feel confident because in the last semester I put a lot of effort studying for Calculus 1 exam, and I take the class with the same teacher. So I am a little nervous because, as I said in the last semester, I studied a lot calculus. It was almost every week I was studying Calculus 1. And in that semester, I barely study for a week. So, of course, I make some reviews. I kind of know the step by step, but I don't feel the confidence that I had when I was making calculus 1. So my plan to kind of take that confidence, it is studying every day. Today that it is Friday, I'm going to spend the whole afternoon studying for it. Tomorrow that it is Saturday, I really think that I probably is going to spend the whole afternoon also studying for it. I don't like studying in the morning in my house. I prefer studying at college. So maybe, just maybe, I'm going to went to TFPR to study over there. But just maybe, it is a possibility because this really would help me focus. So this really would be good for me. Let me see what else I'm gonna do. Um, on Sunday, I really don't think I'm going to study because I really think that I have to give some free time to my mind to relax a little bit. But on Monday, we come back studying with a lot of effort and studying a lot, reviewing things. Tuesday, the same thing. Wednesday, the same thing. On Tuesday, we're going to review things. Just that. We're not going to do anything different. We're just going to review everything because in the day there is no time to study anymore. So we're gonna do that. That's the plan for the Calculus 2 exam. And I really think that maybe you could think, oh man, you're going to study so much for just one exam. But that exam worth 40 points in the whole media. 4 points, what system you use, but it is a test that worth 4 point, like worth 10, has every test, but with a weight of 4. So it's worth 4 points. For me, it is way easier just say in a grade of 0 to 10, how much worth that test? It's worth 4 points. But no, people insist on saying, no, it is a test that worth 10 points, but with age 4. Say that it is 4 points. For me, it doesn't make sense. You saying those things of weight. Just say the value, how much it is, the grade. No, for me it is way easier to just say that. But no, but okay, it is a system they use by this way. But let me see. Uh, what else I could say, because I guess that's the plan of the week. I know that the last few videos were all about just saying that we're in the test week and we have to get good grades, those things. But we can live from that. We can run from that because this it is what happening in my life right now. So I gotta study. I gotta keep making English videos to improve my English, and I am not going to make a video because like a roadmap. Of course, that I am not really practicing all my skills because I am not writing a roadmap. But at the same time, I am practicing my speaking like with no roadmap, don't read nothing, and both of practice for me are really good. And as I always said, I'm really happy that I make um, creating that English video every day a habit. Like, I'm really proud of myself for finally doing something like that. So I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the videos, talking a little bit in English as the usual, mainly about my Calculus 2 exam that I am a little worried, but I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling from that we're going to get uh, a good grade. But that's it. See you guys. Take care. Bye bye.